our team, the first thing we did, we saw the challenge and we think about it. A lot of teams, they want to go right to the building, and the building is fun, but the brainstorming is a huge part of the process. Brainstorming can mean the difference between a hugely innovative design and, just some random robot that can't really do much and pushes around stuff.
When the competition starts, we don't want to envision what our robot will become, because that limits our thought process to something that's more tangible, which in the very beginning phase we actually don't want. So we envision is what is the perfect robot. We don't think about how the metal will fit together, how any part of the robot will work. We don't worry about that. We think of this theoretical perfect robot. What is that robot? And then we move forward thinking, how can we build this perfect robot?
Okay, so initially in the design process, there are a lot of really good ideas, and making a list of these criteria that you grade these ideas on will make the design process go a lot faster, because you have a way to evaluate all of your ideas on the same scale.
You all have to make a logbook.
So what we wanted to consider at the beginning was the different aspects of the game. We wanted to say which ones were most important, so prioritize our goals. Obviously our first goal was to get a working base, and then the second goal was going to be, to get some kind of manipulator that would pick up the rings.
We knew from the start we wanted to focus on the manipulator, since that was one of the most important parts of the robot.
So we wanted to be able to score it, we wanted to be able to do it efficiently and quickly, and not have to fumble rings around.
Very quick, just everything it does is fast. So we want to pick up fast, we want to score fast, we want to move fast, and then we want to de-score fast. We want to control this competition. It's going to be very fast. People are going to be scoring, other people will be de-scoring. We want to stay ahead of them, and speed is the key.
So you have to consider, consider everything, think as outside of the box as possible, and just try and get all your ideas down at the beginning, so that then you can decide which one you think is going to be most promising and, give it a shot and start prototyping. It's always helpful to draw, whether it be on a whiteboard or in, a logbook or something like that. It's always helpful just to draw out your ideas and see if they'll actually work. Think about it in your head, how would it look, how would the driving be. So really it's just considering as many aspects as you can and thinking as broadly as you can at the very beginning to make sure that you're not limiting yourself to something.